Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-post on Instagram. First, open the software and go to Viral Marketing, then choose Post Article function. Next step, set up some general configuration. We can support you to set it. After that, choose content you want to choose. I will choose content I have already set in the software. And you can also choose allow duplicate content between accounts. One more optional selection is interaction in the article after posting. You can choose or not. Finally, choose accounts you use to post article and click Start. The software will auto-sending message for you. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time in viral marketing on Instagram. If you are interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.